Most people dream of becoming wealthy, but few understand the journey it takes to get there. It's not an overnight success story, it's a process, a mindset shift, and a series of powerful decisions that compound over time. Let's walk through the real stage of going from completely broke to truly wealth because understanding the path is first step to walking it. It starts when you hit rock bottom. You're broke, stressed, maybe even in debt, and everything feels out of control. But something inside clicks. You realize that no one's coming to save you. This is the moment you stop making excuses and start taking full ownership of your life. The shift is internal first. You stop blaming the system, your past, or bad luck, and start asking, what can I do differently? Your second stage is awareness. You start seeing your money habits clearly for the first time. You realize where every rupee or dollar is going, and you track your spending like your life depends on it because it does. Budgeting stops being boring and start becoming empowering. Then comes discipline. This is where most people quit. You say no to fast food, to impulse buying, to fake flexing for likes. You start saving even if it's just a little. You build an emergency fund, pay down debt, and create breathing room. It's not sexy, but it's powerful. After discipline comes income growth. You stop depending on one stream of income. You learn new skills, pick up side hustles, or start a small business. You understand that time is money and you stop wasting both. You learn that money loves speed, but wealth loves patience. Then you reach the investment stage. You no longer just save, you multiply stocks, mutual funds, real estate, digital assets. Your money starts working harder than you do. This is when compound interest becomes your best friend and your financial confidence starts to grow. Next comes mindset expansion. You surrounded yourself with winners. You read books, watch interviews, attend events, and absorb success like a sponge. Your beliefs change. You go from thinking I can afford this to how can I afford this wisely. Then comes system. You automate savings, investments, and taxes. You get organized, you stop chasing money and start building structures that attract money. Wealth becomes less about hustle and more about flow. The next stage is impact. You start helping others. Maybe you teach, donate, or invest in your community. You realize wealth is not just about what you have, but who you become. Legacy starts to matter. Then comes freedom. You wake up when you want. You work because you choose to, not because you have to. Your money creates time, and your time creates joy. You're not just rich, you're fulfilled. And finally, gratitude, the real flex. You remember where you came from and you stay humble, hungry, and focused because wealth is not just the destination, it's the journey.